Yeah, so this new album will be my 8th traditional album. It's always a big challenge to stay very true to the tradition, but also to try and push the boundaries really and to break new ground. It's really a very fine line, and my mind is racing at the moment with the amount of different directions we can take it in. We want to make something that really stands out and captures centuries of traditional Irish music, and hopefully in a way that it hasn't been done before. And of course, I want everyone to come along on this journey with me and see where it might lead us. I suppose in the months running up to any recording, you're very conscious when you're looking into your material and putting your sets together and arranging your sets. I suppose we're all guilty of it as traditional Irish musicians, and maybe particularly on the whistle, of inclined to play the music very quickly in an upbeat manner. But you know, we can sometimes lose the melody in the tunes by doing that, and I've been so guilty of it myself. But in all the reels and in all the jigs and in all these beautiful hornpipes, some of the melodies are just incredible, and when we bring the tune right down, it gives a very, very different ambience to the music. So that's something I will definitely be looking at going forward in the different sets we put together. Which ones will we play upbeat and which ones will we just strip right back down and hear that beautiful melody? I'll just play a jig in a nice, easy manner on this B flat whistle, which of course gives a beautiful tone. But just to give you an idea of the beautiful melodies that sometimes we might miss when we're recording and playing the music. So I'll just play a nice jig in a nice slower kind of a format. So I suppose you can hear the beautiful phrasing and the gorgeous melodies that are in all of these tunes. So yeah, well worth taking that into account when you're flying through your reels and your jigs. Maybe just have a listen to the melody, strip it right back down, and we can left with something beautiful. So that's something I'm really looking forward to as well, going into the studio, looking at the possibilities and things like that. And of course, thinking of the musicians that are going to play with me in the studio. And as I said earlier, I hope this will be a beautiful musical, a lovely musical album full of fun and full of texture and tone, and some great musicians lined up for this project. So can't wait to get into the studio and work with those and let you guys hear the finished result before the year is over. The album will be out and about. So yeah, can't wait, exciting times ahead.